six steps to take in resolving conflicts very quickly. Number one, I want to go very quickly. I'm just going to be listing them. We don't have much time to delve in detail. Number one, make the first move. Amen. Did you hear me? Make the first move. Matthew 5:23, leave thy gifts at the altar and go. Make the first move. If you're a Christian, you must make the first move. Too many Christians are filled with so much pride. Did you know the Bible talks about that in James? It says, what is really the foundation of strife and war? What is the foundation? Proverbs 13:10, James 4:1. What's the foundation of war? I did some study of even the Vladimir Putin in Russia. You'll not back down because of pride, cause of warfare. Hundreds, yet thousands of lives being snuffed out, and you're still pushing ahead. I must not be seen as a loser. And in our family sometimes, I'm not making the first move. Me. No, they did it, they come to me. But friends, let me tell you this today. If we are people of God, we must be possessed with humility. Amen. Oh, what are we protecting? We all place ourselves on ego trips all the time. And friends, what are we protecting? If my life is hid with Christ in God, God will fight my battles for me. It's not about me, it's about Jesus. The Apostle Paul says, for me to live is Christ and to die is gain. If a pea is to grow, friends, differently, it must first of all die when it goes in the ground. Did you know, Christian, if you call ourselves Christian, we must first die. Die to self, die to pride, die to sin, so we can be born to newness of life. Did you know? Did you know that about 95% of troubled marriages can be saved if we only possessed humility? Going to the divorce court and saying, me, I'm not going to any counselor. I'm not seeking help. They hurt me. I'm going to show them something. Not the Christian. Make the first move towards reconciliation. That's what the Christian does, isn't that right? Make the first move. That's the first step in resolving conflicts. What? Make the first move. Leave your gifts at the altar and go. Problems don't just resolve themselves. No. If we leave the problem, if we have issues in our marriages and we don't seek to resolve them, and we don't make deliberate effort to confront them and to deal with them, then guess what? They don't remain the same. Never. They normally get worse. Make the first move.